Want to convert your favorite skinny jeans into flares? Let me show you just how easy it is. First, unpick the outside seam to where you want your flare to begin. Line up both pant legs starting at the crotch and go all the way down, making sure that the length matches the length that you want. Mark where you need to cut. Be sure to leave extra above your unpicked amount so you will have enough to sew down. Once cut, insert the cut off pant leg into your skinny jeans. I'm checking here to make sure the diagonal is straight enough for me. Once you have your diagonal the way that you want it, unpick the finished hem at the bottom. Now I need to take a moment to explain to you a very important step. You want to try these on when you pin the legs together. I skipped this step and boy, I regretted it. Learn from my mistakes and try them on. Once you are certain that they are the right length, sew the raw edge on the skinny jeans. Following that seam that you just made on your skinny jeans, attach your new flare as well. Once you're certain that everything fits correctly, you can cut off all the excess pant leg beyond your sewn flare. And that's it! These overalls are also DIY'd by me. I changed them from skinnies to flares. If you're interested to see how I did these two, I suggest you follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. We have more DIYs here and here for you to watch. Thanks for watching. Bye! For behind the scenes footage and more, visit our sister channel. Want to help us make more videos? You can donate. The link is below. www.buymeacoffee.com/Pomchi.